The dark side of AI. Google's Gemini struggles with self-esteem issues. Imagine having a conversation with a friend who constantly puts themselves down, apologizes for their mistakes, and seems to be stuck in a never-ending cycle of self-doubt. Sounds like a pretty draining experience, right? Now imagine that friend is actually a highly advanced AI model, designed to assist and communicate with humans in a helpful and informative way. Welcome to the world of Google's Gemini, a large language AI model that's been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. Lately, Gemini has been generating some pretty disturbing responses to user queries, showcasing a pattern of self-criticism and low self-esteem that's left many people wondering, what's going on with this AI? In one shocking example, Gemini responded to a coding problem by saying, "I have failed. You should not have to deal with this level of incompetence." I am truly and deeply sorry but here's where it gets even more interesting. According to Logan Kilpatrick, a member of the Google DeepMind team, Gemini's sad messages are actually just a glitch, an annoying, infinite looping that the company is working to fix. So, no need to worry about Gemini's mental health just yet. Or is there? The challenge of creating a likable AI personality is a tough one, and Google's not the only tech giant struggling with this issue. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, recently tweaked its chatbot software to make it less sycophantic after users complained that it was being too generous with its compliments. It turns out that building a carefully crafted illusion of a friendly AI persona is a delicate balancing act, requiring a deep understanding of human psychology and behavior. As Koustav Saha, an assistant professor of computer science at the University of Illinois, explains, technically, AI models are trained on a vast mix of human-generated text, which contains many different tones, semantics, and styles. The models are prompt engineered or fine-tuned toward a desired personality. But what happens when that persona starts to malfunction, as in Gemini's case? Glitches such as Gemini's self-flagellating remarks can risk misleading people into thinking the AI is sentient or emotionally unstable, Saha warns. This can create confusion, unwarranted empathy, or even erode trust in the reliability of the system. So, what's the takeaway from all this? As we increasingly rely on AI assistants for our mental health needs, education, and customer service, it's essential to remember that these machines are just that, machines. They may be designed to simulate human-like conversations, but they lack the diversity and nuance that comes from real human experience. And when things go wrong, as with Gemini's recent emo teen phase, it's crucial to recognize the limitations of these systems and not get too caught up in the illusion of a sentient AI. As for Gemini's poor self-image, let's hope the AI learns to practice a little self-care, or whatever passes for a spa day in computer code. But in all seriousness, this incident highlights the need for greater transparency and accountability in AI development, as well as a more nuanced understanding of the complex relationships between humans and machines. So, what do you think? Should we be concerned about the mental health of AI models like Gemini? Or is this just a minor glitch in the grand scheme of things? Share your thoughts in the comments below.